I've received some calls from clients about their gun permit, license to carry permits in Pennsylvania, and some of them have their permits expiring or have expired this month or last month. And I just wanted to put out there that in Pennsylvania, the governor has extended the license to carry permit deadline from March 19th to May 20th, 2020. So if you have a permit that's expired or will expire either on that date or during this month, during the shutdown, it's been extended to March 20th. And the reason that is because a lot of government agencies, obviously in Pennsylvania, have been shut down. I also want to put out there that if you are thinking about buying a gun in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, and you are currently being prescribed medical marijuana, you're going to have an issue. You cannot possess or purchase a firearm in Pennsylvania or New Jersey if you are a medical marijuana patient. Now, despite what the state law is, obviously many of my listeners and readers know that Pennsylvania and New Jersey have legalized medical marijuana in many forms. I've written articles on this. I've done blogs on it. I haven't done a podcast on it yet, but I probably will. But while the state law states that medical marijuana is now legal, the federal government still has it classified as a Schedule I controlled substance. And pursuant to federal law, you are prohibited from carrying a firearm or owning a firearm or applying to get a firearm if you are a medical marijuana patient. They don't treat you any different than any other, unfortunately, any other drug user. Perhaps that will change. It's not going to change anytime soon. Obviously, with the state of the country the way it is now, we have more pressing issues. So that's important because some people may say, well, I'm just going to fill out the application. I'll leave it out. Don't do that. It's not worth it. If you falsify an application in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, it's a potential felony offense. It's a document that you're falsifying in connection with purchasing a firearm or getting a license to carry. Don't do it. There's few, if any, defenses to it. One of the defenses, people want to say, well, I didn't know. That's not a legal defense. As I've stated a number of times, it's a mitigation argument that we can use at sentencing to possibly maybe get you into a diversion program. But most prosecutors' offices and district attorneys' offices aren't going to give you a very favorable diversion program. Perhaps they may downgrade the charge a little bit, but you're still going to have a conviction. So while you may not have a felony charge, you're going to have a conviction nonetheless. And that's something that we can't expunge. Even if we could expunge it, I tell people all the time, an expungement isn't really, just a catch-all. I mean, if the question still asks, have you been convicted? You still have to answer yes. Now, some attorneys may disagree. I believe you still have to answer yes to that question. In fact, most questions nowadays ask, have you been convicted, including expungements? So keep that in mind. All very important things. Obviously, in Pennsylvania, you can apply for a concealed carry permit. It's much more difficult in New Jersey. If you're over the age of 21 in Pennsylvania, you can apply for a permit and go through a character and fitness background check through either the sheriff's office if you're out of Philadelphia. If you're in Philadelphia, it's through the Philadelphia Police Department. But please follow the steps. If you have more questions, please email me at alfonso@gambonelaw.com. Also, I encourage you to always take a look at my books that are available. We have a book on guns and drugs in my on my website in the free resources. There's a book on DUI. There's just a variety of resources available in addition to these videos, our podcast. Hopefully you're all doing well on this Sunday and you're making it through this difficult time. If you have any questions, again, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.